Trading crude oil feels like a gamble until you stop guessing and start using data. I turned this specific workflow into a 28,000 payday, and I'm going to show you exactly how. A quick disclaimer before you check B2Prime, that this is for educational purposes only. I'm a financial advisor and always do big research before thinking to invest any money. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Look, if you're still doing market analysis by scouring a dozen different news sites and guessing the directional bias, you're already behind. You're trading against algorithms that thinks faster than you. The secret isn't being smarter than the market, it's using the right tools to build a data-first process. It's a three-step process. First, I use AI to get big picture, live, price, daily moves, and the prediction markets that actually matter. Then, I run a deep dive with perpetuity search. I feed it a comprehensive prompt, trend, support, and resistance levels, and the real-world impact of inventory data. Once the AI gives me the green light, a bullish bias with defined risks, I don't jump in, I move to B2Prime. So this is where most people screw up. They market order and get eaten alive by slippage. I set a limit order below the current price and I define my risks. Stop loss, take profit before the order is even filled. And the platform is built for exactly this. Full trading view charting inside the terminal, so I never leave to analyze. Leverage is flexible up to 500x on select trading pairs, but I keep mine controlled at 10x. So underneath it all sits institutional grade, prime of prime liquidity across FX, crypto, commodities and indices, which means tight spreads and fields that hold even on size. There is also a built-in AI assistant right next to the chart, plus live order book and full market depth, so I see where liquidity sits before I commit. If you want to see how this platform handles real market depth, check the link in the description. And are you using AI in your trading stack or keeping it old school? Let me know in the comment section down below. It's not magic, it's professional grade tool, a disciplined process, and the synergy of AI analysis. That's how you turn a violet market into a 28,000 payday. One click to close and the profit's locked. So if you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and drop a thought in the comment section down below. Stay informed, stay curious, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.